Instructions. This review test is a follow-up for Chinese Measure Words episode 10 below, or check out the information card above in the right-hand corner. If you haven't watched it yet, or you're new to Chinese measure words, we suggest you watch that video or learn measure words first. But of course, you may continue this test no matter what. Next, you may start taking the test. You get 3 seconds for answering each question, but you may pause any time you want before the correct answers pop up if you need more time to think. Some multiple choice questions have more than one possible answer. Take it easy and have fun!
一些水果，一些水果。水果 means fruits. 一笔钱，一笔钱。钱 means money. 一群学生，一群学生。学生 means students. 一群羊，一群羊。羊 means sheep. Important remarks. P indicates a huge amount of things or other life forms. Usually the amount is over hundreds, or thousands, or even more. But 群, this measure word, indicates a small amount of things or other life forms like animals, humans, and etc. So that's why this one, we use 群 as a measure word to count the group of sheep on the photo. 一笔费用，一笔费用。费用 means bill. 一升水，一升水。水 means water. 四斤糖，四斤糖。四 means 4. 糖 means sugar. 四斤米，四斤米。四 means 4. 米 means rice. 一群猪 or 一些猪。猪 means pigs. Important remarks. According to the picture, we can use both 群 and 些 for these pigs on the photo. 群 emphasizes on small to medium groups. 些 emphasizes on a few. 一点油，一点油。油 means oil. 一些糖果 or 一点糖果。糖果 means candies. Important remarks. If the same items are just a few, you can use both 些 and 点。一点蛋糕 or 一些蛋糕。蛋糕 means cake. Important remarks. If the same items are just a few, you can use both 些 and 点。